Welcome students, this is Chanan Sinegi. In previous sessions we have factorized the quadratic equations polynomial, and today we are going to solve the cubic polynomial. That means we have to factorize the cubic polynomial. For the solution of cubic polynomial, that is cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is 0. This is called standard equations of the cubic polynomial, and we have a problem. This is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. To solve such type of cubic polynomial, first write down this is the d is the constant term. The first step number 1, this is step 1, just check the constant term. That is constant term is here. Just check this one. This is not a constant term. This is not. This one is called constant term. This is d, the constant term, right? The constant term is 20. And now step number 2, just check write down all the factor of 20, whether the positive negative both. That is 1 into 20. I'm going to write this minus 1 into minus 20, and then 2 into 10, that is minus 2 into minus 10, and then right this is 10 into 2, and minus 10 into minus 2, that is the same thing. I'm not writing this one here. The step number 3, check whether there are the roots or not. Like we are starting in increasing order. Just check it. First 1, then minus 1, then 2, minus 2, and then 10, then start the 10, and then 20, and minus 20. So start from this one. So we have polynomial. This is px is equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. And first check, this is 1. We have factor. I'm going to write this was. We have 1. This is minus 1, 2, minus 2, and then 10, then minus 10, and 20, and minus 20. Let's check it one by one. This is p1. This is 1 cube. It is 13 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. So this is 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. Write down this is 45, 46, and 66 is not equal to 0. So this is not at the root of these equations. Now check, this is minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. And this is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. Oh, this is all right. This is 32 and 1 minus 33 plus 20 plus 30, 33. That is equal to 0. Yes, it is a root. So minus 1 is the root of this equation. So that means x is equal to minus 1 is the root of this equation. So this implies that x plus 1 is factor of this one, factor of px. Now, if it is a factor of px, then if we will divide it by x plus 1, then the remainder will be 0. Right? Step number, this is 4. Now divide by px. This is divide px plus 20 divided by the p. This is factor x plus 1, and remainder will become 0. Right? This is x square. We write this is x cube plus x square into 1x square. That is positive, negative, negative. This is cancel out. This 12x square. You can write 0, 0, 0. It is plus 32x plus 20. Now plus 12 x. This is 12x. 12x square plus 12x. Again, this is positive, negative, negative. You subtract this one, and this is 20x plus 20. Write down this is plus 20. It is 20x plus 20 plus minus minus. This is cancel out. It is equal to 0. Right? That is a step. So that means we know that this is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is 0. So that means x cube plus 32x is 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to gx, we have x plus 1, and qx we have x square plus 12x plus 20. So that is a factor of this one. But if you want to make the factor in terms of linear polynomial, so it is a linear polynomial, but it is a quadratic polynomial. Then again, we have to solve this 12x plus 20 is equal to, right? Here a is 1, b is 12, and c is 20. That is quadratic equations. We are going to solve this one by earlier. Previously, we have solved it. So write down the factor of 20. I am just going to write this is 10 into 2, 20, and 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So this is equivalent to x squared 12. I write this is 10 plus 2 x plus 20. This is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Right, now common, just take common x plus 20, and 2 is x plus 10. 20, this is x plus 10. X plus 10 is the common. Right, the x plus 10 we have taken common. This is x plus 2. So now this quadratic equations factor are x plus 10 and x plus 2. We can write this as x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1 we have, and x square plus 12x plus 20 we can write this as x plus 10 into x plus 2. So these are the linear factor of this cubic polynomial. Recapitulate this one. First write down the constant term and write down all the possible factor of constant term in plus minus, and just trial error, right? Write the value of these factors, whether these are the roots or not. If the remainder is 0, that is called remainder. This is remainder. If remainder is 0, then x is equal to minus 1 is the root, or yeah, plus 1, whatever. Then is it is right hand side and transfer it to the left hand side. This is plus x plus 1 is the factor. If it is a factor, if we divide it by method, a long division method, then we get the quotient, and quotient with this is quotient is again a quadratic equations. We know that this is px gx qx plus rx. Rx is 0 here. This is rx, this is rx, and this is gx, and this is qx, right? And this is px. Okay, and then that is a one possible answer. And if you want, if we have to further it in factorize in linear polynomials, then x plus square plus 12x plus 20, which we have already discussed this one. Right, the factorize of this quadratic equations by earlier methods, and we get the x plus 10 and x plus 2, and then write this is gx into qx, right? This is the factor. These are the all linear factors. Thank you, students. Thank you.